What's going on, everybody? It's good to see y'all. Good to hear y'all, even though I can't hear or see you. We're at the shop in Dallas. Let's walk through these cars and head to my car and head home. What do you think about this color, babe?
It's beautiful.
Wow. Dang. Look at those seats, babe.
Ooh la la.
Watch out, honey. I'll show you. Hey, it's right-hand drive. Dude, they're adorable.
They are.
All right, baby. I know you're cold. Let's go to the car. Brr. Woo! There's just something about us building a house and then putting like just a beat up, dumped out,
No, I did not want
and then put a big tree in the center of it, just to grow out of it. Brr. Babe, lava orange, I think.
Really?
Yeah, isn't that cool?
I don't like that one as much.
Here, honey, it's open. I'm gonna set up the mic and we'll be good.
Dude, your car's sick, man.
Hey, thanks, man. Is it warm in there? Hey. Look at all these freaking water spots. Whew. Oh yeah, it's nice and warm in here. Okay. Do you want to do like a coffee shop or anything? Yeah? Alright. Native coffee. Let's see if this works. Take me to Native Coffee.
Getting directions to Native Coffee Co. using Waze.
Was that pretty good? Was my tone like on? Okay, nice. Alright, let's make sure I'm perfect.
That's fun.
Yeah, you had a good time?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
I'm bringing a jacket next time, though,
Yeah.
that's for sure. I feel like
Well.
I couldn't enjoy it because it was so tense.
Yeah.
My jaw was like so, tense. I was so,
Right. I understand. Well, it was so warm for like a week, you know?
Yeah, it was just windy,
Right.
but it was really cool. I like your friends.
The guy who owns this car recognized me from the YouTube channel. That was pretty cool.
So when I called my guy home.
That's gray, that's PPF. Pretty cool. I think it looks pretty cool. Man, it's windy out today though. Can I get your Instagram? Are you gonna go to that rally?
I'm not going to go on this rally. I'm going to
Yeah.
be in the one for our. That's it.
That's you?
Yep.
All right, man. It's nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
I might go. I'm thinking about it.
Dude, you have a blast.
Okay.
You have a blast.
It'd be
Richard,
good.
Richard is an old truck driver.
Right.
So he is like all about the back roads, and they drive the back roads to make sure that there's no potholes and all that stuff.
Right.
So it's always a good ride. They know all the spots, and Chris is very meticulous too.
Okay.
So it's probably one of the better rallies you'll go on. So you won't run.
You're a good salesman.
I'm just a big fan.
Right.
I'm a big fanboy. So
Okay.
I'll see you.
All right. See you, man. Nice to meet you. Look at that, babe. That's the E92 M3 in orange. That's actually paint. Isn't that sick? Yeah, it's called a Lime Rock Edition, and they're super, super expensive. What is that? Is that my buddy? Maybe. Yeah, that's the motor. That's the motor that I like. All right. Should we do a fat rip? There's not enough room. We'd be going 100 in no time. We got some traffic there. Let's see if we can get around. Heated seat on or anything? Army.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
I like Lambos.
Yeah, Lambos are sick, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lambos are so sick. They look insane, just like the presence.
What did you think about it?
It was good. It was good. A lot of really nice people. Now the real question is, do we go in that rally? Sounds really fun. What do you think, guys? Drop a comment down below. What do you think? Should I go in that rally or not? It's a rally called Texas Elite Rally. They're pretty small. I think they're only 800 or 600 followers on Insta. I don't even know. It's a small one that's locally here in Dallas, and apparently it's really good and fun. And I might do it. We'll see. We do a lot of content, huh?
It would be.
Yeah. I probably would only record right when like back roads start, you know?
Yeah.
Like when we get to an end of one and then start of one, that's when I'll record all basically the action. We have a route, so you essentially, you can on Google Maps pin routes, and then you save it as a file and you can upload it. Isn't that cool? Through this traffic, but I mean, the closer we are to Dallas, the more it's just whew. Oh yeah, it's Dallas. We live like right outside of the heavy traffic zone. So came out good, but I think it did. Let's see. I mean, it looks good.
Whoa, it looks super nice.
Yeah. I think so. I think it turned out good.
It's cool that it printed with the carbon fiber.
Yeah. You know I have a dark green with glitter on it.
Yeah. This does a good job at keeping it hot.
Yeah. Yeah, that lid's kind of a pain in the ass. I have a different size lid with a little straw on it. Remember that one? Remember they gave us 2 water bottles? Yeah. Where? Ah, yeah, look at that. You like green, right? Really? Yeah, sorry, no, not about that one. I don't like that green one. Yeah, I like the other green. We would have got brown buckets.
I thought that was green.
No, that wasn't the green. You'd have to Google it if you feel like it right now. Do like British racing green, brown buckets, M4 G80. Type that in. The one I'm telling you about, right?
This?
Yes. It's classic Porsche.
I like the green.
Yeah. There's that
Oh,
one,
there's this one.
or this one. This one parked a little bit more tighter. But I'm
Oh, right here.
gonna put my ass back. Ass back to the door. No, this guy just parked kind of off, but it's okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Goodbye.
Peace out. It's time to start another POV video. I'm going to start another one right now, right, babe? Let's do it. She's like, wait, what?